So we're out in nature. I brought Dixie out on a walk that we've not done before. It's such a beautiful day, and I hope it is where you are. I really just wanted to drop by and say I hope that you're embracing all of this beautiful weather and sunshine and being out in nature. So many people really need that at the moment. Yes, it's been a little bit trying, hasn't it? It's been a bit difficult, a bit challenging, but today feels, I guess because we're out in nature and the sun's out, it feels quite magical in this place. And it's a new discovery, so it does feel really magical to me, and I'm really looking forward to coming down and spending more time and sharing more, as well as receiving those beautiful healing rays from nature, from the trees, from the sun, from the nature spirits. And Dixie's feeling it too, you could probably hear her. But yeah, it's just absolutely stunning. I'm so pleased to have found this little piece of heaven. And you know, there are many, many little pieces of heaven on earth. We've just got to make that choice, really, to look, you know, to look for them and to experience them, and to really kind of breathe them in and bring them into our being. It's just so beautiful. I hope you'll receive the love and the healing that's coming from us today in this beautiful space, magical area, being by the river and in the trees, and of course with those beautiful sun rays, and as we know, you know, lots of light codes coming in through those sun rays. So it's really important, if you can, to be outside and receive it. Let it embody, let it imbue you to bring wellness, to bring balance, to bring peace and calm in this chaos. So sending you all lots of love. I think little Dixie wants to walk on now. She's really happy to be exploring. It's great. We found the river and we found a beautiful copse. So onward we go. But take our love, sending you lots and lots of healing love. And yeah, enjoy, and I'll speak to you soon. Lots of love.